What is going on, everyone? I hope you're having a good day. Thank you for joining me in another video. Today I'm going to see if I can get this old Weedeater working and save it from going into the trash. It sure has seen better days. It's all full of dirt and spider webs. But the most important thing is the inside. As long as everything on the inside is working fine, then the outside is the least of our problems. But first, let's remove some of the dirt and spider webs in order to work on a cleaner surface. This looks to be a Murray Select model number MS2550. If you've owned one of these before, let me know in the comments section what has your experience been with it. Let's clean out as much as we can. A lot of this dirt seems to be really stuck, maybe because of a fuel leak or something. The gas lines look to be in pretty good shape. Now let's remove the gas cap. The inside of the gas tank looks pretty clean, so we'll leave it the way it is and we'll finish cleaning out the exterior. This is looking much better already with a lot of the gunk removed. The gas tank doesn't look to be cracked either. Let's look inside the carburetor. Hopefully it's not too dirty. Yep, looks pretty clean inside the carburetor. Let's just clean out the cap a little and then reinsert it. Now let's remove the spark plug and take a look at its conditions. Always try to be careful when removing the spark plug to avoid any damage to the cable. It looks a little burned, but I've seen worse. So let's clean it out a little by scraping it and we'll put it back in place. Now we reinsert the plug. And now we just fuel up the Weedeater and give it a go. Luckily I have some fuel, so no need to buy any. Now let's pump it up to get the fuel into the lines and give it a shot. Fuel went up and no leaks for the looks of it. It's not turning on, but it could be because of the time it's been sitting. I kind of wanted to start there. Here we go, 10th time's the charm. It may be that the carburetor needs a little adjustment because as I press the gas, it kind of chokes a little. Let's try it out to see if it works. Yep, as you can see, it works. Maybe not the best mower, but it seems to be able to get the job done. So I guess I'll keep it, and if by any chance my other Weedeater needs to be repaired or serviced, I can always use this one in the meantime as a backup. Now we'll just finish cleaning out the rest of the mower. So if you ever come across a free mower or one on the side of a curb, it's always a good idea to check it out. After all, you can't beat a free mower, or you can always use some of the parts on it. I see a lot of good things being thrown out. Like they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Anyways, that's all I have for y'all today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. If you enjoyed this type of video, let me know in the comments section as well. And I'll definitely work on other similar projects and share them with you all. That is all I have for y'all today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.